everyone, welcome back to Fun with Nails. My name is Tina. Thank you for joining me. And today we are doing another holiday mani. This is going to be my Christmas mani. So, if you like the content of my videos, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. If you like to get notifications when I upload a new video, please hit that bell notification. So today, I am using Couldn't Care It Less, which is a very pretty white glitter. And I am using Baking Memories, which are the gingerbread men and the peppermint swirl. And then I'm using Happy Holidays, which are the red ones, and then this very pretty holly overlay. So I'm going to be using these French tips, but I'm going to use them as a full nail. So what I do is I take the middle of the strip and I get it right at the base of my nail. Cover the entire nail. Push it down with my rubber cuticle pusher. And then just clean up the edges. Oh, my hands are so dry right now. So as of right now, today is Thursday. The Thursday before Christmas. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the grandkids on Saturday. So we're doing our Christmas on Christmas Eve day because my stepchildren, their mother is doing something on Christmas Day for them, so we took Christmas Eve day instead. And it just actually worked out pretty good because neither my husband nor I worked that day. He is hoping to be, my husband is hoping to be done with work tomorrow evening. So it'll be either tomorrow evening or early Saturday morning, which it would be better if he's done tomorrow evening, but if he's not, we'll still make it work. This red is really pretty. It's just when you do it this way, there's just a little bit more cleanup, but that's all right. Make it work. Ugh, so staticky. These things are so staticky. And also, I am in southeast Minnesota, which I'm sure most of you probably already know because I've said it many times on my videos before. But as of right now, we are in a blizzard warning. We got probably about 5 inches of snow yesterday. And now the wind is starting to pick up and it's gonna start blowing all that fresh fluffy snow all over. So I don't know if I'm going to make it to work tomorrow morning. Just have to kind of wait and see what happens. I actually ended up being an hour late to work this morning because I no more got all my, well, I shouldn't say all my shoveling. I got 95% of my shoveling done this morning. I got my truck all across the back of my truck shoveled where the plow the road. And I no more got that all shoveled out, and then they came and plowed it again. I ended up getting all plowed in again, and I had to shovel it all over again. So I ended up being late to work. But they were understanding. They let me stay an hour later to make up for that hour. Those gingerbread men are kind of cute. Now this is a thumb strip. I didn't have the size strip that goes on my middle finger in my already opened pack. So I'm going to use the thumb strip. And we'll just do a little cleanup. At work today, when a coworker and I got there, we went into the laundry room at work, and it was so cold. And I saw the maintenance guy, and I was like, why is it so cold in here? Because usually it's so warm. No, it was, and you know, it was cooler yesterday, but it wasn't like cold. Well, here the heater quit working, and it was blowing cold air. Oh, it was so cold. I had a long sleeve t-shirt on because, like I said, it was cool yesterday, and I ended up putting my sweatshirt on because I was cold yesterday. And so I decided today I was going to wear a long sleeve t-shirt underneath my uniform top. So I had a long sleeve t-shirt on, my uniform top, my sweatshirt over the top of that, and at times I actually pulled my gloves out and put them on because it was so cold. Oh, it was cold. I couldn't believe how cold it was. Oh, yes. That's so pretty. So me and one of my coworkers, she and I Most of the day today we're walking around in our sweatshirts, and we were wearing sweatshirts with that zip up the front and then a hood, because your uniform top has to be visible. So if we were out of the laundry, out of the room where we do laundry, if we were out of that room, we would unzip them, so then that way our uniforms were visible. But when we were in laundry, we would zip them back up. And we were even at the point sometimes that we even had the hoods on, because it was just so dang cold. And then our one of our supervisors and the manager came walking through, and they didn't say anything because they knew how cold it was down there. They just said, "Stay warm." Like, we're trying to. As long as we weren't in the public eye, they didn't say anything. And they knew how cold it was. I'm just hoping that they have it fixed by tomorrow, because ugh. I came home, I was more wiped out from shivering from being so cold. And it was really slow today at work too. Ugh. I hate the slow days because it just makes the day go by so much slower. Oh, I didn't mention, I do have my I do have peel base on. Cute. Get off. My poor nubby nail. It's shaped kind of funny right now until it grows back out on the one side. Because I didn't want to cut the whole thing low. So you have to tell me in the comments, do you celebrate on Christmas Eve, or do you celebrate on Christmas Day, or do you celebrate on both? When my kids were growing up, we celebrated on both. We celebrated both Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We we would have my kids open up their gifts from me and my mom on Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day we would go to my in-laws, and then they would get their gifts from their aunts, uncles, and my in-laws on Christmas Day. And on Christmas Eve we would normally do I would make pot roast, mashed potatoes, gravy, and the vegetable would change from year to year. It wouldn't be the same vegetable every year, but and then we would usually have some kind of dessert that would change from year to year too. I had kind of gotten to the point that I was doing like cheesecake every year, because it had gotten to the point that the kids really liked cheesecake, so then we would just do cheesecake every year. The kids really liked that. After I worked all day yesterday, I got home and cleaned my whole house. Got everything ready for when everybody comes on Saturday. All the gifts are wrapped and under the tree. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. Can't wait to see the grandkids. And my granddaughter, my daughter-in-law said that baby is measuring early. She's 36 weeks pregnant right now, and baby is measuring 38 weeks. So she could be coming almost any time. My cuticle is kind of uneven right here right now. There we go. So we got the happy holidays, baking memories, and couldn't care less. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Really like it. Well, you all have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And I will see you next week. Have a great one. Bye-bye.